Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Challenge. If you're new to my channel, please like, share, and subscribe so that you can be notified when I have new videos. We will need the following supplies for this project: a recycled jar, a Christmas card, an antique brown paint, and battery-operated lights. As you can see, I used painter's tape to section off the area that I did not want painted. As you can see, I got a little heavy-handed with the paint and accidentally got some paint inside, but no worries. I simply used alcohol and a towel to wipe off the excess paint on the inside. As you can see, I used the front side of the Christmas card and simply tucked it inside the jar. The nice thing is you can use any picture that you want and switch it out throughout the year. Now it's time to paint the lid. By using the Waverly chalk paint with brown wax, makes the lid look like wood. Now it's time to add the lights. And this is how this particular jar was a little bit easy project turned out, making the picture appear 3D. I use string light for a softer glow here. I decided to try a puck light for a brighter version here. We will need the following supplies for this project: I used my miter saw to cut off the edges so that I could piece this two together. Then it's on to gluing it together and using popsicle sticks to give it more strength. Next up is to use the putty to fill any holes where it did not quite fit together. Now on to sanding to get some of the glitter off. As you can see, I painted it white for the base. Next, I'm using a black Sharpie to make it look like shiplap. Now it's time for the embellishments. As you can see, I used some picks from the Dollar Tree. Also, I added some snowflake stickers there as well. Then I added some jute twine as the hanger. I decided to add some LED lights. And here is how it turned out. I just love this piece. I hope you enjoyed today's projects. I hope it inspired you to make your own. I'll see you in the next video.